Welcome to our deep dive into the dark world of political corruption. We're venturing into the grimy, shadowy underbelly of power, with backroom deals and morally bankrupt politicians. Buckle up, folks, because today we uncover the various ways politicians can undermine democracy and public trust. We'll be shining a light on the cockroaches of the political system, the ones who treat public office like a personal piggy bank. Let's get started. Chapter 5. Insider Trading, Playing the Market with Public Information. Let's talk about insider trading, where politicians leverage confidential information for personal financial gain. Imagine using top-secret information to make a killing in the stock market while the rest of the population is left in the dark. When politicians engage in insider trading, they're not just breaking the law, they're betraying the public trust. They're essentially playing poker with loaded dice, using their privileged access to line their pockets. It's a blatant conflict of interest and a betrayal of the public trust. Chapter 6. Laundering money, making dirty money squeaky clean. Ever wonder how corrupt politicians get away with their ill-gotten gains? It involves financial wizardry called money laundering. Think of it as a washing machine for dirty money, running it through a complex cycle of transactions to make it appear clean. We're talking shell corporations, offshore accounts, and a tangled web of financial transactions. Money laundering allows corrupt politicians to enjoy their gains without raising suspicion. Chapter 7. Electoral fraud, rigging the system. This is where the very foundation of democracy is undermined through manipulation, intimidation, and outright cheating. Imagine a world where votes are bought and sold, ballot boxes are stuffed with fake votes, and voters are intimidated. Electoral fraud can take many forms, from gerrymandering districts to suppressing voter turnout. It's a cancer that eats away at the heart of democracy.
The consequences of political corruption are severe, affecting trust, economic efficiency, social equality, and political stability. It's a global pandemic that erodes the very fabric of society. Combating this issue requires legal reforms, institutional transparency, strong institutions, civil society engagement, and international cooperation. We need to demand accountability from our leaders and strengthen the institutions responsible for upholding the rule of law. Stay informed and engaged to help build a fairer and more transparent governance system. The future of democracy depends on our collective action.